If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Today, the market is not looking so good. The market is acting so stupid. The market is an idiot. JASMY is an idiot. JASMY is stupid at the moment. Bitcoin is even way more stupid at the moment. We have problems going on, and the first thing I want to tell you is that JASMY still has a technical target to continue lower. Unfortunately, we're still not into a technical target of JASMY. And number two is on the monthly time frame, you have something like this, which is known as the shooting star. Now, there's one thing I did notice for JASMY, and that's on the weekly. Let's dive into the weekly. What if unpopular opinion, and people haven't maybe known as talk about this, but I was paying attention to Elliot wave theory, and Elliot wave theory is one of the best things in trading, and I think it's pretty much something that everyone should learn about. And I've been teaching this Elliot wave theory on my trading course. The link is in the description of the video. And you can see that you're looking to move. Is this your first wave, second wave, and the third, which is the biggest wave? Is this the fourth one? And you might looking for the last fifth wave down anywhere, maybe to 1561, 2000, 1400, let's say rough estimate even 1600. Maybe your bottom isn't actually here at the third wave, but you're looking for JASMY to make it all the way. Because let me tell you one thing, right? Let me tell you one thing. There are chances of a bull trap. I'm not saying it's going to go down, but I'm actually trying to imply the Elliot wave theory, and it actually perfectly matches if you go with technical analysis and not news and whales play, talking about technical analysis. This does look like an Elliot wave theory structure in the formation, and it does make sense because the third wave is actually the biggest wave we've seen in a while, and that can actually take time until July if you go with the time duration as well. So maybe July, June, July, in the middle of the or maybe the beginning of summers, or in the middle of summers when it's really hot, you get some hot discounts as well, and then you go for the A, B, C, make a double bottom in the future like this, breakout, and then finally start a bull run all the way in 2023, by the end of the 2023, and then the beginning of 2024 becomes even merrier, and then you get a lot of amazing profits as well. Because there are two things on the weekly that I'm looking after, because and it's important to talk about the weekly. I've talked about the daily. I'm going to dive into the daily in a while. Now, number one is the Elliot wave theory. Number two is still, this is a problem. This is still a problem, guys. This sideways movement that is known as a bearish rectangle, its technical target was never met. It's still in play, unfortunately. So if you take the top to the bottom here and you place it there, all you did is you came halfway through and you bounced back up. You're still not breaking that flag, actually. You're not breaking the flag. And you have the chances to still drop down to the technical target, and that, if you do come down there, that completes your Elliot wave theory, which is being the first wave, the second wave, the third wave, the fourth one, and that's where the fifth can actually be, and you don't have any other bear patterns after that. That's the end of the bear pattern. Now tell me one reason. If you can make a blood like this, why can you not make a little bit more blood like that? This is like just a little bit more blood. This was the biggest of them all. If something big like this can happen, a little bit of that can happen as well. It makes sense. Now that's the weekly time frame for you. And the daily, let's go into the daily, and I'm going to tell you what's up in the daily. On the smaller time frame, we're still not done with the dumps. We still have a technical target. This is your bear flag. And the bear flag broken out, and we're still looking down. From the time that I closed the trades, I've actually managed to still save 21%, and my private sector, the members who are there, they've also saved a lot of money at the moment. Now if you take the top to the bottom of that bear flag on the daily for JASMY, you have a technical target down to 4839, and that's where I'm looking to see JASMY coming down to. Number two is going to be Just a second here, what happened? Okay, number 2 is to pay attention to this oversold support on the RSI. This is where I want to see JASMY coming down to on the RSI as well. So I'm really looking forward for this price area, support area. And that's it for this JASMY video update at the moment, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.